Let us discuss how successful eHarmony has been. By 2004, eHarmony has made over $100 million in sales, and by 2009, it has reached the $1 billion mark. In 2005, 90 eHarmony members married every day. In 2007, 236 eHarmony members married every day, and finally in 2009, 542 eHarmony members married daily. The following statistics demonstrate the edge that eHarmony has. It has 14% of the US online dating market. The only competitor with a larger portion is Match.com with a 24% share. Nearly 4% of the US marriages in 2012 are a result of eHarmony. Overall, eHarmony has successfully leveraged the power of analytics to create a successful and thriving business. And in this case, analytics is at the core of this business.